Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn this into a weapon. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to Tech and Survive. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this into a weapon. It's only going to be used for slicing though. Okay, it's nothing more, nothing less. Okay, you know these things are pretty sharp, you can cut yourself, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to bend this back. And you already know what you can do with this, right? If you don't remember from my past video, these are for improvised fishing hooks. You have a 2-on-1 situation going on over here. Can't get better than that. Fishing, slice it. Catch the fish, cut the fish. You'll see in a minute. So what I'm doing is, I'm using supplies that I have around the house. Okay. Couple of nails. Alright. A lid. A piece of wood. And a hammer. Right? Put it all together. It's a no-brainer. You have yourself a slicing tool. Doesn't matter what size the stick is, okay? As long as it adheres and gets attached to it. So all you're doing is basic attachment, okay? Come over here. Pop that sucker right in. Keep it moving, yeah? So we have one end to the top here. This is as ghetto as it gets, guys, but it works. Okay? Alright? Let's make a little hole. Know where it goes. Alright. Suck it right in there. Okay. Pop the second one in. Alright. Try to keep it as secure as possible. Okay. Got Pinky in the background over there meowing. He's old. Okay, pop it in a little bit. And then bend that nail back, right? Should look or something like this. Keep it attached. Now you get yourself slicing tool in case you need to cut some nice throat. No, I'm just playing. I'm just kidding. But make your improvised fishing hook out of this. Watch my previous video. Okay. Now you have a little slicing tool. Alright, so now you got yourself an improvised fishing hook. Your mini slicer. Whatever you need to slice, right? Yeah, you slice something. Good to go. Protect and survive, guys. Oh, you can make this a point. Stab. You gotta live, right? You gotta survive. You can make a point, you can stab, you can slice, cut, whatever you want to do, okay? Right? Guys, stay safe, enjoy. I kill myself. I can't help it. Peace.